Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the Bosch E Bike 504 error code. So here is what Bosch E Bike error code 504 means and how to resolve it. So error 504, the speed signal distortion detected. That means what it is that is Bosch detects inconsistencies between actual wheel speed and sensor input, typically flagged as tempering, and enters limp mode with reduced assistance. So here is the key triggers. That first, tuning kit installed. For example, the speed box or vol speed triggers anti-temper. Sensor or magnet misalignment, so like dirt, moisture, loose wearing or false positives, and early Gen 4 firmware glitch even without tuning. So this could be all the reasons that you can face this error code. Now here's how to fix it and clear the error. So the first step that you can take is for tuning kit users. Bosch expects 16 to 90 minutes of riding without assistance to reset limp mode. Keep the bike on but use zero assistance level. Then after a third 504, only a dealer with Bosch diagnostic tools can clear the error. Some advanced tuning kits like VOL Speed V4 Speedbox 3.0 reduce the likelihood of 504 errors if used correctly, respecting limits, avoiding auto firmware updates. 2 is for untuned bikes. Clean and realign spoke magnet wheel sensor. Use Bosch official guide. Then apply the firmware update that is posted in 2020 to address early Gen 4 software quirks. Ensure no loose parts or short circuits like rattling screws and that can disrupt the sensor. So here is the quick troubleshoot flow. That could be your determine a cause. Are you using a tuning kit? Then check alignment, magnet and sensor clean, aligned and secure. Reset limp mode, ride 16 to 90 minutes unassisted with bike on. Then update the firmware, that is make sure to have the latest Bosch motor software. Then dealer step, if after third 504 or limp persists, book a Bosch certified workshop. So by following these steps, you can probably fix this error code on your Bosch e-bike. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.